For this video we're going to look at example 4, which is all about using the division algorithm to find solutions. Now when you look at the division algorithm, you'll notice this funny little symbol here that we use, and we actually change the order a little bit. This question we're doing here is actually 212 divided by 2, and what you'll notice is we've taken the divisor and put it on the left side this time. And the reason we do this is we're actually thinking to ourselves, how many times does 2 fit inside of 212? So we just do it one number at a time, and we start on the left side. So how many 2's fit into 2? 1. How many 2's fit inside of 1? Well, you can't. That's a 0. And now, because we didn't use the 1, anything that doesn't get used must carry across to the next number. So we bring it over here. Now how many 2's fit into 12? 6. Alright, moving on to question B, remembering when we use that funny symbol, the divisor comes to the left and the other number comes to the right, and we work from left to right. How many 5's fit into 1? You can't. That's 0. Any numbers we don't use must carry across. How many 5's fit into 14? Now I can only fit 2 of them, but I've got some left over. I've got 4 left over because 2 5's make 10. So I'm going to carry across the 4 because I didn't use it. How many 5's go into 45? 9. So our solution is 29. Let's move on to question C, bringing the divisor to the left. Here's our number, 769. And when we do this, we are going to start on the left side. How many 5's fit into 7? I can only fit 1, and I was 2 short from the 7, so the 2 carries across. How many 5's fit into 26? 5 5's make 25, but I was 1 short of 26. Bring the 1 over. How many 5's fit into 19? 5 3's make 15, but I was 4 short. Now I've got no numbers to carry it across to, so I'm just going to write remainder 4. Or I could have done 153, and I could have done the fraction 4. My remainder goes at the top, and at the bottom goes 5, which is the divisor. Let's write a little thing here. So our fractions are remainder on top and divisor on the bottom. Okay, so let's look at question D now. How many 3's go into 2? They don't fit. It's 0. Carry the 2 across. How many 3's go into 20? Well, I know 6 3's make 18, but I was 2 short from 20, so I bring the 2 across. How many 3's go into 23? Well, 3 7's make 21, and once again I'm 2 short from the mark. So I'm going to write R2, remainder 2, and just to show off a little bit, I'm going to write it as a fraction, 67, remainder at the top, which is the 2, and the divisor was 3 at the bottom. And that concludes our video on using the division algorithm.